This is John Spirovieri, the editor of Assembly Magazine, and we're here at Assembly Technology Expo with Bo Bryant of Design Tool Inc. Can you tell us, why should a company buy a screw feeder?
There's really four basic reasons that companies look to benefit from automatic screw feeding. One is speed, two is reduced labor, three is the ergonomics, and four is quality of product when completed. Design Tool, over the years that we've been in business, about 21 years, has been built on simplicity. Our machines are the most basic equipment in the industry. We build every unit to the customer's application. We take the end user's application and work back to create something that's totally unique for the customer.
What are the criteria for a screw feeder?
There's one main criteria that must be met, whether you're a screw feeder of any competitor of ours or Design Tool. You must see that the overall length of the screw is greater than the head diameter of the fastener to blow feed. If not, you get tumbling within the tube, causing jams. If there is a screw that does not meet that criteria, we can go to a presenter, which vibrates the screw up to an escapement where an operator is taking the screw off the machine with their driver and going straight to their piece of work. What we ask our customers and prospects are, how many screws are you running a day? And to justify a screw feeder, you're looking at running 2,500 screws a day, and that'll give you typically a payback of a year for a handheld unit. We have three different types of handheld units here at the show. We have what's called our standard machine, which is our quickest, least expensive unit. Then we have a rigid unit, and what we mean by rigid is a unit that the bit is engaged in the screw, allowing the operator to have the screw extended from the collets in a rigid manner where they can feel for through holes or used in alignment. The last unit that we brought handheld is a combination screw feeder with a qualifier for joint verification when integrity of joint is a critical part of the end user's application. We have multiple feed units that can feed multiple drivers out of one unit that's typically on a fixtured assembly where we're using platen fixed screwdrivers. We blow those to the platens, and by using thrusters that goes up and down to the work and back and forth, we can go on all three axes to complete that movement. We also have dispensers that have become a very big part of our equipment line. A lot of the automotive industry has gone to where they want their associates or installers to have the correct number of parts in hand when they go to put that on the automobile or the part that they're building. It's critical to them to know that those are there. We can send a signal, audible or light, to let the supervisor know. We can also do it where we've got programs to batch count, to send information through the computer that they can track throughout the day and throughout the work shift. The one thing is that we get as much information as possible. Sometimes it's difficult to get that from customers, but they should know to get a very accurate quote and the unit to be built specifically to meet their needs. We need to see screws or the fastener that they're using. We need to see the parts that are being fastened so we can create that custom-made nose piece or collet assembly and barrel to work specifically for their application.